guys, may 100 USD ka na. At di lang yun, dahil less than 600M ang total supply, pwede mag times 10, times 20, times 50, times 100 yung token mo. Panalo to mga boss. This is it guys, yearn together. Grabe, exciting to. Bibili ako ng pass dito, mag-i-invest ako.
Introducing the world's first
ever gaming IDO platform to, guys.
The groundbreaking platform offers a powerful and exciting blend of
exciting
crowdfunding,
talaga.
gaming-style
Big
IDO,
potential
allowing participants
project,
to purchase gaming tickets and
Ayan,
have a
may
chance
mga
to win
gaming
additional
tickets sila.
tokens or other
At
rewards.
pwede ka makakuha ng
Instead of simply
tokens,
buying
no?
tokens at a
So,
set price,
guys, ine-enable nila yung
entitled to receive
project
small
team,
wins. It's
investors,
the perfect solution for
influencers.
anyone looking to launch their
Kaya,
project.
DeFi talaga siya, no? Nagko-connect ka at nagpa-participate dito. So guys, bibili lang kayo ng pass dito. Pwede na kayong kumita ng earn tokens, no? Earn tokens at mag-participate sa mga games, no? So parang yung pass, yun yung parang ticket nyo dito. Pwede na kayong gumawa ng kahit na ano dito, no? So guys, grabe talaga. Sobrang big potential nito. Pwede ko sa inyo, no? So ERC20 nga pala to at meron din Yearn Stable, no? Na pwede ka mag 20% buyback at of course ng token value, no? And magbe-benefit ka rin na sa holder, no? So pwede ko sa inyo guys mamaya, no, para makita nyo kung bakit okay dito. Big winning moments, and meron din mga membership dito, no, community prime and elite na. So yun yung website nila guys, no, gaming enabled IDO. Ayan, participate to earn. So pwede kang mag-earn ng tokens, bibili ka lang ng pass, pwede ka mag-promote, mag-affiliate ka, kikita ka ng token, magpe-predict ka lang, kikita ka, magpa-perform ka, kikita ka, at pwede ka rin mag-pull, no? So, grabe, ang daming ways to earn dito, no? So, grabe talaga, guys. Kung purchase ka ng pass, no? Merong 100 limit pass per Yearn Elite account, no? Grabe, maximum na yon. At of course, may Yearn Body, Chatbot, Cham, and Fam. Ito, guys, no? So, meron pa silang chatbot dito na napakalaki. 30% affiliate, guys. Magre-refer ka lang, kikita ka ng 30%. So, grabe, may mga kumita na dito na $200,000 or more. And 1K passes sold already. So, grabe guys, no? And after 100k pass sold, okay, pwede ka na mag-withdraw dito anytime. And of course, available global ito, no? And of course, guys, kung titignan nyo dito, pwede na tayong bumili ako. So, ready ka na? Let's buy and invest here. Samahan mo ako live, bibili ako dito. Let's go! So guys, as you can see, ito na yung website nila. Ano, kung bibili ka, okay, type mo lang dyan yung ID mo. Or, inviter's ID if you have the address. So for example, my address guys, I will link it to the description below and you just paste it there. For only $55 live guys, we will buy. So tandaan nyo guys, minimum 55 USDT, maximum 5,500 USDT. So multiple sila, no? And of course, every 55 USDT invested is giving one elite pass to the investor. So for example, bibili na tayo ngayon. Okay, let's buy now. So for example, you choose maximum, you need 40,000 USDT. So for example, we choose one live, no? So ayan guys, live, I suggest you buy 2 if you can, but if you have only limited budget, you can only buy 1. It's fine as well, and this has big potential guys. So ayan na guys, no, I will approve it right now, no? So as you can see, just click approve, click mo lang yan and click 1 dito. After approving, make sure guys i-deposit nyo na. So click confirm, and ayan na guys, magde-deposit na yan. Automatic may elite pass ka na. Okay, it's automatic after you deposit. Make sure after approving you deposit and it will be automatic. You will just pay 55 USD. So it's very cheap and affordable. And guys, tandaan nyo dito, no, yung pre-sale rate ng Yearn tokens, no, so makukuha nyo dito is $0.05. So yun yung referral link mo na gagamitin mo, no? So meron ka 1,000 Yearn at ang rate nito is $0.05. So sigurado, eto pa lang, no, meron ka ng tubo. Eto pa lang, may tubo ka na. So doon sa in-invest mo na $55 kapag available na to sa IDO, no, ibenta mo na lang tong Yearn na to, tubo ka pa. Kasi listing rate nito 0.1. So sabihin na natin 0.1 times 1,000. Ito ang pinakamatindi mga boss. Di ba bibili ka ng pass? Tapos bibigyan ka ng 1,000 tokens. Yung tokens na to, listing price niya 0.1 kapag available na. no? Kapag na-list na 0.1, ibig sabihin, may 100% profit ka. 'Di ba? So, guys, $100 yon kapag multiply mo 1,000 tokens times 0.1. Guys, may 100 USD ka na. At di lang yun. Dahil less than 600 M ang total supply, pwede mag times 10, times 20, times 50, times 100 yung token mo. Panalo to mga boss. So guys, grabe talaga ang kitaan nito, no? So wala ka pa mong ginagawa. Bumili ka na ng pass. Meron ka na agad 1,000 yearn. Automatic pupunta sa wallet mo. Natutubo ka na kapag na-list na to. Tapos meron ka pang capacity to earn through referral, meron ka pang capacity to earn through games. Guys, naman, napaka-solid nito. All-in complete package, best platform in the world. Kaya ako talagang dito ako pumasok, no? So, docs, devs, and also guys, the passes na nakukuha nyo dito, you can earn more tokens. Grabe guys. And of course guys, 100k passes only will be solved, and make sure you copy your referral link. Okay, pwede ka mag-participate free and premium prediction. Of course, yun yung mga games. So, Yearn Body, okay, $5,000 plus 10k Yearn tokens, pwede ka rin dyan. Yearn Champ, meron din Elite Pass, no? And meron din Yearn Fam. So guys, ito $200,000 plus 100k Yearn tokens, lifetime NFT access. So may mga Yearn games. And of course, yun nga guys, no? Kung gusto nyo ng guidance, no, regarding winning moments, you can also watch their clips, no? Ayan guys, no? So makita nyo winner announcements, etc. So tandaan nyo dito guys, no, na every pass holder gets 3 chances of winning big. So pwede kayo manalo na malaki. Okay, and at the time of every 1,000 passes sold, one lucky winner will be selected by Chainlink and awarded $5,000 plus 10,000 Yearn tokens plus 1 lifetime platform free access, no? So Yearn NFT, grabe. So after ng 100k passes sold, guys, may one winner ng $200,000 at 100,000 Yearn tokens, no? Lifetime platform free access Yearn NFT. So grabe talaga, no? And pwede kayo mag level 5 din sa referral guys, no? So pwede kayo mag instant earnings withdrawal, no? So papakita dyan paano mag-withdraw. And of course guys, sa referral, tandaan nyo hanggang level 5 yan, no? So every 5 USD na nag-accumulate, okay, meron kang points. So for example, nag-invest yung kilala mo, 55 to, di ba? Meron kang agad 5 USD doon sa 55. And of course, level 1 to 14% to, pataas na pataas the more that you refer, no? So for example, person A gets 100 passes. So merong 1 million tokens plus 100, okay, plus 10,000 bonus and also 5,000 bonus tokens kapag sa first slot, for example, okay, nagkaroon siya, meron agad siyang premium access at of course pwede na rin siyang bumili ng pre-sale token. So grabe guys, ang daming earning levels dito. Level 1 14%, level 2 7%, level 3 4%, level 4 3%, and level 5 2% 1 USDT. So pag yun ni-refer mo, nag-refer pa siya, tapos nag-refer siya, kumikita ka pa. Grabe. So grabe, di ba? So pero ang condition para makakuha ka sa 5 levels na referral, kailangan meron ka 5 passes. Okay, or buy 1 pass and refer 5 users, okay? So grabe, di ba? So ito yung pinaka big thing, no? Kapag yung user A nanalo siya ng 200,000, meron ka 14% na winning niya. So kapag nanalo siya ng big prize, pati ikaw dahil ikaw nag-refer sa kanya, meron ka 14%. Di ba ang big deal? So guys, no, nandiyan na lahat, lifetime access na yan, Yearn family. So guys, make sure you research din, no? Okay, nasa inyo pa rin kung papasok kayo dito. So earning percentage, kung level 2 14,000, kuha rin nanalo siya na big price, no? Level 3 8,000, level 4 6,000, level 5 4,000. So kahit malayo na yung nireferan mo sa'yo, basta't nasa bracket mo siya ng pag-refer, nirefer mo, kikita ka rin, di ba? So, grabe guys, no? So, top 10 influencers meron din, no? Every 1,000 slots, meron kang top 10 referrers, 4%, 2% for their referral pass, no? And every 1,000 passes yan, no? 100k na naman ang price. So, grabe. Grabe talaga dito guys, no? And of course, pwede ka rin mag-claim na Yearn token, no? So, all in all, complete package to guys. So, grabe talaga to guys. Hindi lang panalo dito yung mga members. Lahat tayo panalo, no? Lahat ng bibili na pass, yung magre-refer, tsaka yung influencer din, no? So, all in all, I really do believe this project has big potential. Kaya talagang bumili ako eh. Nakita nyo naman, live proof, no? So, ganyan pala guys, no? Para may idea kayo, may mga step by step process din sila para hindi kayo nalilito, no? Regarding everything else, no? And ayan na nga, no, waiting for admin approval. And of course, you have won na nga. And automatic mag-add yung yearn sa wallet pag sinlik nyo yan. Okay, so wait nyo lang natin matapos yung pre-sale. Guys, make sure you buy now before IDO, no? So pag na-list na yan, automatic pwede nyo na-sell yan. And of course, ayan nga guys, no? So wait nyo na yung admin approval, no? So of course, meron silang admin. And of course, pag na-approve na, automatic yan guys. And meron din claim limit, no? So guys, tandaan nyo yan. Sobrang big potential na project na to. Pakita ko pala sa inyo mga bayan, no? Bakit ang dami kong in-explain sa inyo para talaga mag-gets nyo yung concept niya, no? So kapag may pass ka, bukod doon sa tokens na makuha mo, for example, Boss Sancho, mag-invest ako ngayon, $55. Okay. Meron ka na agad 1,000 yearn tokens, natutubo ka na agad na 50 USD kapag na-list na. Tapos meron ka pang access sa lahat ng to. Pwede ka mag-refer, pwede ka sumali sa games, pwede ka mag-predict. Lahat pwede mong gawin, di ba? So guys, make sure you add yearn to your wallet. And ayan na nga guys, no? Pwede mo nang add sa MetaMask mo. So it's very easy and accessible guys, no? Very big deal. And of course guys, pwede mo na open yan and makikita mo na agad yan, nasa MetaMask mo na. So pag listing date, automatic pwede mo na sell yan. Okay, so click mo yung done and ayan na nga guys, no? One draw. Okay, so pwede ka rin scan yan to get your referral URL. And meron din full progress dyan, no? So you can join 5 participants pag may pass ka. So ayan guys, no? Lupit, diba guys? Hindi maganda pag may pass ka. So use your MetaMask. Okay, gamitin mo yung pinag-connect mo kanina. So pwede ka rin mag-join dyan sa pooling course. Depende yung magkano gusto mo i-pull. At kikita ka rin, no? Pwede ka manalo ng draw. Okay, so grabe, diba guys? Bukod sa pooling, ayan yung referral mo, affiliate, no? And pwede ka rin mag-predict nga ngayon, no? So, for example, yung draw. So, for example, guys, no? Ayaw nyo mag-pool, gusto nyo mag-draw. So, may draw dyan. Pwede ka mag-predict dito. 1 USDT. So, pwede rin sa free. Doon tayo sa jackpot prediction, no? So, pwede ka rin sa free. Okay, 1 to 1,000. So, for example, ayan guys, no? So, predicted elite pass, ayan yung sa atin. Pag nanalo ka, grabe talaga ang price, no? So, 5,000 yearn price pool. So yun guys, no? So elite passes sold 259 na. So let's make it bigger. Let's make them bigger guys. And as you can see, the community is also quite big. And they have Certic audit as well. And of course the docs, the white paper are also here. So gaming enabled ITO nga to. So guys, pinagsama-sama affiliate yung, of course, yung community influencers nandito. And meron din sila Certic audit, no? So very big deal talaga yan guys. And participate to earn. So pwede nga mag-participate, no? Grabe talaga. The more passes that you have, the more additional yearn you will get. And meron din pull to earn, promote to earn. Ayan, no? 30%. Grabe, laki. So meron din predict to earn, perform to earn, and earn together on mobile. So may mga metrics yan. Okay, token utility, gaming funds allocation, earn token distribution, and of course, detailed roadmap as well. So yan guys, no, magkakaroon na CX listing and IDO phase 2 dito na. So abangan natin yan guys, no, especially yung updates nila, no, regarding staking platform and platform version. So guys, marami new projects IDO. Let's make them bigger on social media, especially the Telegram, Twitter, Discord. Ayan na nga guys, no. So guys, you can support them guys. 34,000 members guys. Let's make them bigger, no. And yan na nga yung Telegram nila and Twitter. So you can follow them on Twitter guys. Okay, super big potential project talaga tong Yearn Together na to guys, no. Meron din silang Medium, no. So and the app, no. So grabe, no. So you can register, refer, and earn this Danjo the Capital Master guys. Super big potential project. And also guys, you can join the affiliate, no. So para sa akin, kudos. This is one of the best projects na nireview ko. And pwede rin kayo mag-refer nga, no, sa mga kilala nyo. Okay. So para sa akin, okay to.